If you've gotten one of those $75 tickets for weaving across the line into the toll lane, you might want to hear this. State lawmakers appear ready to change that law a little bit because of a bunch of court challenges they've gotten over it. It all has to do with the statute they cite in those tickets, toll evasion.
Asked the Supreme Court to take it up.
And his case, that's John Bolin, an attorney who got one of those tickets on C-470 when he crossed into the toll lane. But the thing is, John has a transponder on his windshield.
I had paid the full toll for the segment of lane that I entered. I just entered a little bit late.
John argued he paid for the toll, so he didn't commit toll evasion. A county court judge agreed and tossed out his ticket, but the state appealed that, and a district court judge ruled with the state in this case. Now John is asking the state Supreme Court to weigh in. But while John waits, the state legislature is voting on a bill that could essentially add what John did to the definition of toll evasion. It's a tiny section of House Bill 26-1076, which is a bill to clean up some language in transportation law in Colorado. It adds that entering or exiting a toll lane outside of the marked entrance or exit would also be considered toll evasion.
They got fines for doing that, and they said, "What do you mean toll evasion? I paid my toll." So this clarifies that crossing those double white lines falls under the same civil penalty.
To be clear, the changes in this law would not apply to anyone who's already gotten a ticket or who's already fighting a ticket like John.
I think it's an admission that they don't have the authority right now because they're going to the legislature and asking for it.
That bill is on the House floor tomorrow, February 17th, and John is still waiting to hear back from the state Supreme Court about whether or not they'll actually take his case. He hopes to get that answer by the summer.